The resurrection is tested or dog's DNA will be received by the Buku. Like, the link to the video will be in the description below. Go in second match. So let's introduce vaccine 3, 2, 1.
Alright, so Sunshine, we
Sunshine.
have something for you. Yes. It is called an Ancestry Pet DNA Kit.
Yeah.
You already know what you are, Roxy. You're a Maltese.
Yeah,
But
we don't know what
Sunshine is our little rescue dog.
She's a mix of two dogs.
Yeah, she's a mix of, I don't know.
She's not really little.
Yeah, she was supposed,
When
we got her,
a few months old and she's already like huge.
yeah, she was born in April, so she's like 8 months old now. But she was supposed to only be 30 pounds. However, she's 50 pounds now. So we'll see what she turns into. So, I mean, put in your guesses now. What do you think she is?
A black Labrador mixed with a Chihuahua. The ears.
What?
Black ears.
A Chihuahua Black Lab. Aubrey, what do you think she is?
I don't know.
You don't know?
She's a dog.
She's a dog. All right, so Aaron has breeds and traits. So Aaron's going to open up this box.
And I am going to do the testing.
Yeah, we're going to... Sunshine! Sunshine, come here.
Come here.
Okay. Now go see, what does he have? What does he have?
I think I'll say
Don't eat the plastic.
You don't need the plastic.
Mm-hmm.
Sit. Sunshine, sit.
Sit.
Oh, you're so smart. You're so smart. You're down. Ow! Ow! You hit my foot. I do not have a clear balloon. I'm so sorry. So what does it say?
Just before you send off the kit, before you send off the test, register the kit.
Okay.
Scan the code. So we'll do that. It says for bovine, ovine, use the nose.
What? What's a bovine ovine?
I think a bovine is a cow, ovine is a pig,
Oh.
and a canine and equine.
Canine and equine.
Canine. What's a canine?
It's just a dog.
What's an equine?
I don't know.
That's a horse.
Wow, look at you. You're so up to date on your animals.
It says
Sunshine.
put in the gum, wash with water to if stabilizing liquid comes into
Sunshine.
contact with eyes. So if the liquid comes in my eyes, I need to wash out with liquid.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I put the cap.
Okay. What's in there?
Oh, let's see.
Oh, good girl.
So
Good
you
girl.
swab it and you unscrew the cap. Put the cap on the liquid. Shake it 10 times, and then put it in the bag.
Okay. Hold on.
Okay,
She is. You get on this side.
Hey, come on this side.
Okay, I'm going to do this.
Okay, look.
Here, I'm gonna go
Grab
back
this
over
part
here.
here. Don't touch the spongy part. See this? The Q-tip part? Don't touch it with your finger. Just grab this part on the bottom. Okay? Now we're going to hold our mouth open. Okay, just the gums. So see the gum right there? Just rub it in there a bunch. You gotta do more than that.
We gotta get as much slobber as we can.
Yep.
Ooh. What are you, Sunshine?
I'm just rubbing.
Go get a treat for her, Logie.
Okay.
How's that taste? What do you think, Sunshine? Look at those teeth. Look, oh, hello.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think
Hello.
of that? That was weird.
Take the cap. The cap is straight.
Right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
Sunshine. Oh, good girl. Oh, hi, Roxy.
Sit down. Okay. Right? Okay, Roxy wants it out. No.
Good?
Roxy, you're a Maltese.
I get sent to lab.
Yep, we're gonna send this to the lab.
Put it in the bag.
No, Roxy. No, not your.
Is that
No.
10 to
right.
There you go.
Cool.
Ready to go.
Hey, Sunshine, come here. Sunshine. Not you, Roxy.
Sunshine, come here.
So we got Sunshine's report. So we gotta find out what Sunshine is. Hi, do you want to know what you are? Should we find out what you are?
You're so cool.
What does Logan think she is?
I don't know.
Ian?
I think she's a Maltese.
What?
Maltese?
She's like Roxy. They could be sisters.
It's not Maltese. That's definitely not Maltese.
She's like, no way.
Come on, do
Okay,
it.
ready?
There's no way.
You gonna count down? Drum roll.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Click it.
Oh, 33% border collie.
Wow.
Oh.
Let's see. Border collie,
I knew,
pit, lab.
I knew she was like parts Labrador Retriever.
Whoa.
Because she was black.
A white Swiss Shepherd dog.
She
Chow
don't-
Chow.
Chow chow.
An American Bulldog.
That's insane.
Well,
She is such a lassie a lot of dogs.
yeah.
She will be like 2 types of dogs.
Nice.
No.
She's not.
Not a
Thai-
German Shepherd.
Not a Thai Ridgeback either.
No. Okay, so I actually just found out that there's more to it than just this. This is all Aaron showed us. So I actually went and logged into the site. I uploaded a photo of Sunshine. Like, look at those ears. She's so cute, you guys. But that's cool. It shows some matches in our area for people who are related to her. Look, German Shepherd. Oh. Lots of
Wow.
DNA matches to her that are German Shepherds, which is funny because we were saying she's has to be part German Shepherd. Let's see. Traits report. So it looks like she does not have fear of grooming. Doesn't snap at new dogs. That's good. Oh yeah, more stressed at the vet. Dude, I have taken her to the vet and she is insane there. Does not get scared of loud noises. Non-guard dog, Sunshine.
Sunshine.
You're relaxed. Yeah, Roxy, you're not. Not aggressive. No social anxiety. Does not like to share. Possessive. And then it has these upright. I love her upright ears. Yeah, but then it has these that are most likely of her.
Wow.
Yeah, interesting.
Really
It's
interesting.
very interesting that it says her DNA has a lot of German Shepherd relations. Those are definitely her ears.
Yeah. There was tested outdoor DNA will be easy by the Buku. The link to the video will be a description below. Go and check them out. And drop a like if you like. And comment down below if you want to see more reactions like this one. And subscribe if you're new. And click the bell to be notified when I upload. And what? Bye.